So I'm going to show you real quick how to find what assignments are most important and that are missing, and where I can find them in MiSTAR and where I can find them in Canvas as well. So that way students are not doing superfluous work that is not necessarily going to be graded, or that's really more just extra practice, as opposed to missing out on the meat and potatoes of the assignments that make up the bulk of their grade. So I'm going to share my screen here. And as you can see, this particular student has everything turned in except for this one here called Federalist versus Anti-Federalist Beliefs. And the way to know that it's not been graded or it's not received is because there's a 0 here. I know in some classes this might show up as red, but for our particular class, it's just going to show up as a 0. So this is the method that you need to check and make sure, do I have a grade for it or not? So if there's a 0, or if it shows 0%, that means that I have not received it or I have not graded it yet. So what you'll need to do is to go into Canvas. And in Canvas, you're going to go to Assignments. And up here in the Search for Assignment taskbar, you're just going to simply type in one of the keywords. So the word Federalist, because again, the assignment is called Federalist versus Anti-Federalist Beliefs. So if I type that in, it's going to shrink down the available assignments, and I can look specifically for the one with that title. Again, you need to know the specific title so you're doing the right assignment. It might also help to look at the point total. So I know that it was worth 13 points, and it was called Federalist versus Anti-Federalist Beliefs. So I'll find that, I'll click on it, and then I can begin or resume the assignment. So this is just an easier way to know what assignments you really need to do that are turned in for a grade, so you're not wasting your time on extra credit assignments or extra enrichment assignments that don't go into your grade and you're still left with that missing hole.